Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok privacy settings. First go on your profile section and then go on the three dots icon on your right upper side. Then select settings and privacy. Now you have many options, but you need to go on privacy section. Then you need to go on the suggest your account to others section. Now as you can see, all of these are click on the turn on button. Go and turn it off all of these. Now go on the second one and also get it here on all of here and turn it off. Go back. Now guys, you need to know that this needs to be at least 24 hours, and after that you need to reinstall the TikTok application, and then you need to go back and turn it on all of these and get back after again of that. Go OK, allow, go on this one, get back. And now guys, you know how to fix TikTok privacy settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have some problems, comment down below. See you soon guys.